Hello and welcome to my videos. My name is Ashish and in today's video we are going to talk about new Python framework that is Taipy that you can see on your screen. This framework is very easy to learn and it can use to build production ready front end and back end in no time. So if you want to develop your own website and which should be a production ready, then you can definitely learn um, this framework. And I can tell you that this can be compared with Wabin framework that we have in Java, where you can write markup language, HTML code, or Java code. You can create components, web components using Java code. So something similar we can do in this framework. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for this, what we need to do is we need this pip install Taipy. So what I'm for this particular framework, I'm going to use Visual Code Studio, and here what I have done, I have created one requirements.txt which is optional. I added this Taipy framework and I executed this pip install, and it has installed all these requirements. Okay, so here one problem I face is like installing PyArrow. I had to install PyArrow manually. So in case if you face the same problem, so here I am also using Python 3.10. So I tried 3.12, Python 3.12, but I couldn't succeed. So I downgraded to 3.10, and so it's good to use Python 3.8 to 3.11. That is what their framework documentation says. So with that, I have installed this Taipy on my local machine, and then in extensions, you need to install Taipy Studio, this extension that you need to install. And so with that, let's get started. Let's try to create simple code. I'm going to create new file main.py. So let's create simple web page. For that, I'm going to import Taipy. Going to import GUI builder. So I'm just going to use alias. We need to create page. So in this method, in this tutorial, we are using Python language to create components in Taipy. So here we are going to add our code. An important part here is we need to run this GUI. Here we need to pass page and we need to call run. So I think here I'm supposed to import. Let's save this. So first of all, let me run this. It automatically takes you to this web page. So nothing is added, so it prints nothing. Let's go back. Now we will add simple components. Let me add first component HTML component HTML, and first parameter is tag HTML tag, and here I'm passing information. Next line I want to add input, and for that input I'm adding value, and the label should be first name. Okay, let's try this out. All right, so you can see this user information has come up, and this label along with input field has come up, and also it is not the plain HTML. It comes up with default styles, this Taipy framework that has given. So this is how we can create simple page. I can also create single page app within no time. So for that, what we need to do is, what I can do is I can create pages. So I will create root markup MD. MD is markup, markdown. So let's say this is my multi-page app, page 1. So hash means headline and hash means sub headline. We'll see how it looks like. And in page 2, inside pages, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create mapping. This is the root MD. Page 1 is going to be page MD. Page 2 going to be page 2. Correct. What I'm going to do is I can simply, instead of writing this, I can pass page is equal to, okay, so this is page 1, this is page 2. Okay, so this is a simple, this is a this is how you can create control. So you can create button also. So I create here button like this. Suppose instead of pages, I want to create buttons, then I can create button like this. Dot button submit. So actually speaking, you can we can call here post. We actually can call backend post method here, just like HTTP post or form post method that can be done here. You can see submit button has come. It's default style. You can always override this style. But in this video, we are just going to see how to add controls. In next video, we are going to see the building blocks of this framework. Like if you want to perform, you want to connect data, you want to add actions, how to handle actions, and how data nodes can be created. What is the core? So there are multiple blocks, fundamental blocks of this framework, which are very easy to understand. That we are going to learn in next video. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay tuned for next video. Thank you.